In this video, I will show you how to generate random dates between two dates in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have the start and end dates for a particular project. Now I want to create 5 random dates between these two dates. To generate random dates between two specific dates, we can use the RANDBETWEEN function. The RANDBETWEEN function returns a random integer between two specified numbers. This function takes two arguments, the smallest integer that this function will return and the largest integer that this function will return. For example, this RANDBETWEEN formula will return a random integer number between 1 and 10, while this RANDBETWEEN formula will return a random integer between 50 and 100. Since the dates are serial numbers in Excel, we can use this function to generate random dates between two dates. So let's type an equal sign to start the formula. Now type RANDBETWEEN followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the start date as the smallest date argument. Type a comma and then select the end date as the largest date argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Since we want to generate 5 random dates by copying the formula, let's convert the cell references in the formula to absolute using the dollar signs like this. Now let's drag the cell to copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, we now have 5 random dates between two specified dates. There are a couple of things we need to consider about this formula. The first thing is that the cell containing this formula must be formatted as a date. For example, in this Excel sheet, I have put this formula in the cells formatted as numbers. As you can see, it produces the incorrect results. To correct this problem, select all the cells and press the Ctrl and 1 keys on the keyboard. Select the date option from the left side. Now select the appropriate date format from the list of formats and click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, we now have the random dates displayed correctly. The second thing we need to consider is that the RANDBETWEEN function will generate a new random number every time the sheet is recalculated. It generates a new random number whenever we close and reopen the Excel file, edit the formula by simply pressing the enter key, or even when you drag the formula once again like this. To fix this problem, once the random dates are generated, copy all the cells containing the random dates using the Ctrl+C shortcut. Then right click and go to the paste special menu item and then click the values and source formatting option. As the name suggests, it will paste only date values while keeping the date formatting and not the formulas containing the RANDBETWEEN function. As you can see, we now have the random dates between two specified dates without any formulas. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.